to my channel. My name is Sensationnel, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Y'all, do I even have to say anything? Like, this hair is giving what it needs to be giving. And guess what? If you thought this was 100% human hair, get it right, boo. Sensin. Sensin for the win again, y'all. If you are not new to my channel, you know like a long time ago I used to review synthetic wigs like heavily. And I just been seeing a lot of synthetic units that's just been top tier units, and this happened to be one of them. I kind of want to get back into, you know, reviewing these type of wigs because inflation is at an all-time high, especially in like the hair industry. Like everything is an arm and a leg, baby. Everything. If you want some quality, it's an arm and a leg. I am here to provide you guys alternatives. You can still get quality at a fraction of the price. Oh no, I'm saying this to say synthetic wigs are like real life on the rise. They're improving the quality of synthetic wigs, and I'm a fan. I'm here for it. If you know me, you know I like to be a new person every week anyway. So we're gonna get into this unit today. Her name is Adanna. It's by Sensationnel. This is the visible lace hand tie lace frontal unit. It's 13 by 4, 2 inches of party space on the side, and then you get a full 4 inches down the middle. It came curled already and everything. The length is kind of like I will say it's like a 24-26 inch. It looks really good, like really good. I love everything about this hair. I'm just going into the install, which took me all of like 10 minutes literally. I'll let you guys know my final thoughts about it at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So cute, like it's so freaking cute. Like, one thing to know about me, I love big hair and I love really nice curls. Sensin for the win, y'all. So let's get into these curls. At first glance, they appear to be very loose, but these are some cute ass curls, and the wig came already like layered and everything, so it's laying perfectly. This is why I really do have like a soft spot for synthetic units. These units already come styled. Like, you literally don't have to do much. It's a very convenient wig. You can literally just put it on straight out the box and just go on about your day. I did use some Got2b to lay down my ear tabs. Speaking of ear tabs, this wig fit me perfectly. It's a little bit on the big head friendly side, but if your head bigger than mine or rounder than mine, you ain't gonna have no type of extra space to be cutting off at the ear tab or anything like that. But this wig is beautiful, you guys. I can't stop touching it. It's very soft to touch. This mimics real hair. It's giving that kinky texture. It's just very natural looking, and even on camera it looks really good. Like, it mimics like raw hair in a little bit. The lace is pretty decent. I didn't use a melt band today because I couldn't find my melt band. This is with a little bit of Got2b spray. But I just want to say, synthetic wigs, y'all need to stop not y'all, because obviously y'all here because the girls that get it. I just feel like we're gonna have like a newfound respect for synthetic wigs. Like, this wig is just everything. I didn't do baby hairs on this side, y'all. Make sure you guys check out this unit. Again, this is the Sensationnel Adanna. Go head over to Samsbeauty website online, or you can find this in your local beauty supply, your local Samsbeauty, and all of that good stuff. If you guys have synthetic wigs in mind that you would like for me to review, please leave me the names of them in the comment section below. But make sure you get your hands on it if you're feeling it. And yeah, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't. Turn on your post notifications so that you're aware when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.